Here's how you can earn extra income every single month just by renting out your car that you're not actually using every single day. Check this out. This is the Airbnb of the car rental world called Turo, and all you have to do is come onto the right hand side here and click on Become a Host. Once you've done that, you can come over here and click Get Started in order to register your car to get people to start renting it. So you can choose how many cars you want to share. You can start with a car you already own or buy one to share. And whether you want to commit just a little bit of time or a lot of time, this is how you can earn some extra income. And check this out. This is the potential annual earnings of 1 car, 3 cars, 5 cars, 7 cars, and 9 cars. Not too shabby. So lots of cool ways these days to earn some extra income on the side, but if you don't have that many cars or you don't even have a car to rent that time out for other people to use, then if you would like to find out my favorite way to get to 5 figures every single month using a very particular strategy, go ahead and follow me on my channel, click the link in my bio, and then follow the training step by step. See you there.